As part of the concept of data structures, we'll see now the concept of stack, which is a linear data structure. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel CSE Gurus. In the concept of stacks, we'll see now what is the definition and operations, and of course we'll write a program using array and we'll execute, and of course we'll write the linked list program and we'll execute. Then what is the complexity we'll see, and then reverse of a number using a stack. One example program we'll do with respect to the stack, how you can utilize, how you can use it, stack, and also another one string palindrome program also we'll see. So all these things we'll see now. Coming to the definition part of the stack, what is actually a stack? Where you want to insert the elements like this. Here you can see the elements. It's something like an arrangement of stack in which it follows the order called as last in first out, or first in last out, whatever it may be, in which the operations are performed. Let us suppose if I take some set of elements, I'll take an element 10, then 20, then 30, like this, and then 40, the elements in this order. First I want to enter 10, so initially I'll take this as a stack where the indexes are like this, will be there. Totally 5 elements you can store, maximum values are 5, where I can say it is a size of the stack is, if I say size of the stack n is 5, and you can see here initially stack is empty. Now if I take the first element will be stored here, second element will be stored here, whichever is you are inserting, next third element you want to store here, and of course if you have to give fourth element 40, you need to store like this. You entered in the sequence of 10, 20, 30, 40, but when you want to retrieve them, you cannot retrieve 10 first. You have to retrieve only one element first, which is called as top of the stack. What is the top of the stack? 40 element. So that is only you can take it out first. It is only one way you can push from here each and every element like 10, 20, 30, 40. Now only the 40 is visible to you. In order to get 30, 20, 10, you must remove 40 first. So then only you can get 30. So that's what you can push here. That means you are inserting is called as push in the concept of stack, and when you want to delete, that is called as pop. So push and pop operation. Pop means you want to delete the element. So push in the sense you want to insert an element. Pop means you want to delete an element which is only the top of the stack. Only the top of the stack you can delete. And now at any instance, if you want to know what is the top value, you can get directly. Now in this case you can see after inserting what is the top value, 40, you can get it. Now after that, if I want to perform a pop operation means what happens is this 40 will be deleted. Then you can see what is the top if I ask you, which is 30. Now if you see the elements in the stack, you have only 30, 20, 10. Now what is the top of the stack? 30. If you want to push an element, why not? You can push it here 50. So now what is the top of the stack? Which is 50. Now if you want to push again one more element, 60. Yes, you can push it. The top of the stack is 60. Now can you push one more element, 70 here? No. Why? Because you can see the entire stack is filled. There is no space here. You can see what is the stack size is 5. So you entered 5 elements. This is called as full. Stack is full. So everything you can see theoretically here, the operations of the stack, whatever just now I explained. Add an items into the stack. So push operation means you are inserting an item which is into the stack, which is the top of the stack always. You cannot insert in between. For example, if I have like this, you can insert an element 50 here only, not here, not in between anywhere. Okay. So if you want to insert, you have to, let us suppose if I want to insert in between 20 and 30, you must pop this 30 out, then insert 50 here, then insert 30 here. So this is what the process you have to do if you want to insert like this. Now if the stack is full, then it is set to be the overflow condition. That's what just now I explained. If I want to give the element here, yes, you can give it, but once it is done, if you want to insert 70, no. Why? Because its stack is in overflow condition. Now removes an item from the stack which is called as pop. The items are popped in the reverse order. That means, so you inserted 10, 20, 50, 30. Now in the reverse order you can pop. That means you can take 30 first out, then 50, then 20. That's what the concept of stack, which is last which is inserted taken to be out first. So a simple example, if you take the call register or messages in your mobile. Okay, very recent message will be on the top of the list of the messages, right? Maybe in the calls also. So very recent call, okay, which is there, a very recent call will be on the top of the list of the calls. So that is the one sort of the arrangement we can say. It's all the simple example of stack. If the stack is empty, what you call it as underflow, means stack is empty, no elements are there, for example here. So now you can say yes, stack is empty. Now can you make it any pop operation? No, you cannot make pop. Why? Because there are no elements in the stack. So only you can push in this case. If it is overflow, that means everything is filled. Can you do push operation? No, you can only do pop operation in that case. That's what you can make it. And of course, if you want, you can implement these functions also. IsFull function means you are checking whether your stack is full or not. IsEmpty means whether your stack is empty or not. So this is what to remember. This is what to make, like if the stack is full, then you can say that you cannot insert the elements, you cannot push the elements. If stack is empty, you cannot pop the elements. There is no element to delete. So these are all basic operations we have, especially in stack. So that here the best thing one line we can say for the stack is which goes with the concept of last in first out. Now you can implement the stack here. Of course, you can use the concept of arrays. Of course, you can concept of the linked list. So how you need to implement using arrays, we'll try to write the code, everything, and also for the linked list. Both we'll do. How to implement, how to write the methods, everything I'll explain here.